So this is the iPhone 14 Pro in deep purple. I've already done a review of this phone, which you should definitely check out, but to quickly summarize as we get into this video, the upgraded camera system is top notch, the dynamic island is a slick integration of the cutouts, the screen is the brightest yet, and the A16 Bionic and 120Hz screen keep things moving smoother than smooth. But today's coverage is a design impressions plus camera test, so let's get things started by talking about the build. It's a great implementation of the flat-edged industrial design that started with the iPhone 12, and in this purple color, it's almost a chameleon, shifting between gray and dimmer or warmer light and a muted purple in brighter environments. This phone feels great in the hand too, honestly refreshing how reasonable of a size it is despite being a pro phone, and if I had to find something to complain about, I could say the camera bump is pretty massive this year, and I know some people find the sharp corners uncomfortable to hold. But beyond that, what you see is what you get. I liked what I saw and got, and let's get into the camera stuff. I'm going to start with some action mode footage. These clips here were shot using the default 0.5x camera, and while it's definitely not as good a quality as the main, I think it's reasonable as a default because of how much crop the stabilization requires. I'll also throw in an action mode shot that solidifies that. As you can see here, using the main camera, a reasonably wide view of this stairwell is unachievable. Next, here's some regular video switching between the lenses, going from 0.5x ultra-wide to 1x main to virtual 2x to 3x telephoto. This is a versatile set of cameras, and I think this footage demonstrates that across all lenses, the iPhone 14 Pro is a force to be reckoned with video-wise. Following that, here's some video involving movement to test the stabilization on this phone. The 14 Pro, as most flagship phones do, uses a combination of OIS and advanced EIS to provide very smooth video across the board. And lastly, for the video department, here's me showing off that front camera autofocus, which is a first ever in an iPhone. Now getting into photos, I'm going to start with some 12 megapixel snaps captured in ideal lighting conditions. This is the outside of the building I shot most of my 14 Pro review in, and I'll just jump between views from the three cameras. Each produces an image that's sharp and colorful at good resolutions. Following suit, here's some more ideal scenario shots. These are inarguably phenomenal photos, and about as good as phones get these days. Throwing a couple selfies up here, they're good as this is the best the front camera has ever been. And rounding out with some less than ideal shots, here's photos that, in all honesty, don't really approach the limits of what this camera can do. There are uncommon edge case scenarios more extreme than these, where other phones like the Pixel 7 Pro outperform the iPhone, and I'll throw in some example photos from Digital Trends comparison between these phones that show this, but this involves really getting picky about the processing applied to photos after taking them. Overall though, know this is one of the better phones out right now for shooting in darker environments. Besides that, that's my iPhone 14 Pro design impressions coupled with more camera samples. Again, check out that full review if you want to learn more about this phone, sub if you love the video, and I'll see you soon.